Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect TradingView to n8n. So, in order to connect TradingView charts to an n8n webhook so a browser extension can send screenshots or chart data to n8n for analysis, you'll have to first of all sign in to n8n. So sign into your n8n account, then install the Chrome extension that I'm going to show you. So go to the search bar on any browser and type in n8n TradingView, then hit enter and click on the link that says n8n.io, analyze TradingView.com charts. Now, when you click on that link, it will take you to this page where you can see it says analyze TradingView.com charts with Chrome extensions, n8n and OpenAI. So click on use for free. And here you'll have to simply click on copy template to clipboard or simply click on get started free with n8n cloud. Now, when you click on that button, it is going to take you to this page. Here, you can click on create new OpenAI credential and simply enter your OpenAI API key, organizational ID, base URL, and HTTP request domain. Now, after you do this, click on save, then click on continue, or you can also click on escape. So in n8n, you'll have to basically set the webhooks URL and paste the URL into Chrome extension webhook target. Then enter your OpenAI API key into the OpenAI node credential that will be in this page and adjust any prompts or model settings to fit how you want charts analyzed. Then open tradingview.com, pull up a chart, click the installed Chrome plugin and send a screenshot. And n8n should receive the webhook, run the OpenAI analysis and return human-friendly insights in the response node. So you can tweak prompts, add login or notification and secure the webhook before using it in production. And that's it. You've connected your TradingView to n8n for automated chart analysis. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.